Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to post on BeReal. If you're looking for a way to post or create your new post on BeReal, first of all, open up the BeReal application and log into your account with your phone number. Now once you end up in this page, you will notice this little option that says post your first BeReal. Tap on it and you will then need to allow camera access on your device. Tap on allow and you will also need to allow access to your microphone, and there you have your camera appearing on the screen. Now go ahead and take a picture by tapping the shutter icon at the bottom. After you do that, you will be able to see that you have taken a picture from dual camera. Your front camera and your back camera both will take a picture right away. Now go ahead and tap on the My Friends Only option and select your audience from the menu. You can choose your friends and their friends or everyone. I'm just going to select My Friends Only for now. Now right next to it you will see your location. Simply tap on that and make sure everything's okay. You can also add a music on your BeReal by tapping on the music note icon, and you can then connect Apple Music or Spotify to add audio to your BeReal. Finally, after you are done, click on send at the bottom, and there you have successfully created a new post. Now you can add caption on your BeReal. Go ahead and tap on add caption at the top right underneath your BeReal and then write down a caption for yourself. After you are done, you can tap the arrow button at the bottom right to update your caption. You can also tag your friends on the BeReal by tapping on the human icon right next to the share icon and choose your friend from your friend list. And that's how you can easily post your first BeReal. Make sure to keep it raw, unfiltered, and authentic. That's the whole point using the BeReal application. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.